Hi guys, my name is Marissa and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 10 of my favorite beauty products for women in their 30s. I did not have a less is more attitude in my 20s. I tried it all. And keep in mind, when I was in my 20s, YouTube was full of beauty gurus. They were everywhere, and hauls was a really big thing, so you couldn't go 24 hours without seeing 16 different hauls of 500 different makeup products that you absolutely had to have. Frugality was not my game in my 20s, so I bought it all. I tried. If somebody on YouTube told me that it was a good idea, I was probably gonna buy it. Now that I'm in my 30s, I've tried to narrow it down to just some of my favorite things. I say that, and this is my third video that I'm posting talking about 10 things, so maybe I haven't really narrowed it down that much, but these are the things that I like. And if you also live in a house with all boys, I have 3 sons and a husband. There is nobody in my house that's going to talk to me about makeup. So I make these videos because then people comment down below and I can get ideas of new makeup products to try out and hear what other people that are in my age bracket are liking and using and enjoying. I am going to start with makeup items. The first item is a foundation. It is this Double Wear by Estee Lauder. I wear shade, I don't know if this is gonna focus, 1N1. This might be the lightest color. If it's not, it's pretty close. I am very, very, very fair skinned, and I really like this foundation. I've tried a bunch of different drugstore foundations, department store foundations. This is my favorite. I have purchased, I don't even know how many different bottles of this, and anytime I buy something else, I always end up going back to this. It has really good coverage, but it doesn't make your face feel heavy or like you're wearing a ton of makeup. My second makeup item is a powder. This is by Charlotte Tilbury. I don't know if it has a color on here. Airbrush Flawless Finish. It's just a compact of pressed powder. This is pretty pricey. I do occasionally buy drugstore makeup, but at this point I don't wear a ton of different makeup products and am willing to invest in some higher quality things. This is pretty sheer. It doesn't make your makeup look cakey. It just has a really nice finish and is a great setting powder. My next item is a primer. I use this Professional. I have tried a ton of different primers. Now that I'm in my 30s, my pores are deeper and my makeup just goes on a lot better if I use a primer. I've used primers for years. I used primers when I was in my 20s, though I didn't have issues with my pores and probably didn't need to use it. It was probably a waste of money. But at this point, I really notice a difference of whether or not I am wearing a primer or I'm not wearing a primer. The primer that was my favorite was a CoverFX blurring primer. It was amazing. The best primer I've ever used. And they quit making it. So, if anybody sees that and you have any sort of recommendation of where I can find that CoverFX primer, comment it down below. Next, I'm going to talk about perfume. I'm not a grown-up when it comes to perfumes. I do not wear mature scents. I still have teeny bopper brand perfumes. And I like it that way, and I don't think that it's gonna change. I have, every single one of these videos I've talked about a perfume. It is an area that I have not accepted minimalism in. I have a lot of different perfumes and I like them all, so I keep buying them. The perfume that I'm going to talk about today is by Taylor Swift. Not only can the girl belt it out, but she makes great perfume. This is the second perfume that I've recommended from Taylor Swift. This is, what is it called? Wonderstruck. I can't describe what this smells like, but it's great and I love it. This has notes of floral. I'm making that up. I don't know. I don't know what it smells like. It smells nice. I like it. It's one that I grab all the time and will replace when I run out of it. The next item I'm going to talk about is skincare. This is an area that I wish I was better in. I am not a consistent person with using creams and lotions and serums and washing my face with a bunch of different products, and I'll probably regret that when I'm older. I wish that I was better about it. I completely bought this on a whim. I think it was last year Ulta had their, what's the thing where they have every day there's something that's on sale, and I went for one thing and I got there and this was sitting on the counter. It's Peter Thomas Roth, a retinol product, and normally it's hideously expensive. It's like $80 for this teeny tiny little thing. I do notice a difference though when I use it, and I have one. It's supposed to help with wrinkles, I guess. It says that it's an eye cream. I don't use it as an eye cream. I use it exclusively for my forehead wrinkle. I have one. I scrunch my face constantly and probably scowl more than I should. So I have this like crease in my forehead that maybe other people don't notice, but I notice it and I apply this exclusively to my forehead crease. If I use it regularly, I do notice a difference. The problem is I don't use it regularly. I will repurchase this when it runs out, though at the rate I'm going, it'll probably be another year before I run out of it. You use like literally the tiniest little amount. I don't want to waste it, so I'm not going to squirt it out, but use the tiniest amount. Again, it says it's for under eyes. Maybe it would help with that too. That's not what I use it for. What I do use for under eye is this Estee Lauder Advanced Repair. What is this called? Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Concentrate. It has this wand. You just whoop, whoop, tap it in, good to go. I use this probably once a week before I go to bed after washing my face. Again, if I used it more regularly, I'd probably notice more of a difference, but I do like the way that my under eye feels when I use this. I notice it primarily when I wake up in the morning. It just feels softer and more hydrated. Next, I'm going to talk about a nail polish. This Zoya brand nail polish I really like. It's supposed to be less, I don't know, I think it has less something in it that's not good for you. I don't know. I saw it as a recommendation on like a Facebook ad and just ordered it, and I like it. It doesn't chip, which is nice. I noticed that when I paint my nails, which I'm not consistent about painting them, mainly if I'm going to an event, I'll paint my nails. It does last for several days. This is my favorite hairspray. It is by Sebastian. It's not heavy. It doesn't leave my hair feeling crunchy. I don't wash my hair every day, and I find that it doesn't leave a lot of residue, so this is my go-to hairspray. Next is a dry shampoo. This is a Batiste brand. at the drugstore. You can order it on Amazon. You can get it at Ulta. It's pretty inexpensive. It works well. I like this fresh scent. There is also one that has some coloring in it. It's meant for brown hair. I'm naturally a blonde and my hair is growing out because I can't get it done. So it's growing out blonde and gray. I might order on Amazon, or maybe when I do my next grocery pickup, the brown tinted option. And my final product is this dry brush. I ordered this off of Amazon. It's just this little tiny brush. It's supposed to be good for your lymphatic system. You just brush your skin when it's dry, and it helps exfoliate your skin, as well as, I guess, being good for your lymphatic system. If you have products that you love, please comment them down below. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and turn on bell notifications so that you don't miss when I upload. Bye!